Hello guys, it's me. Hello, I'm back. It's been quite a while. I have been giving little updates on my Instagram here and there. If you follow me on there. I'm finally unpacked, finally settled in, getting used to working, which who likes to work, right? But this video is just gonna be a little tiny different. It's really gonna be about like home decor, more than about makeup and beauty today, but I think it's all related somehow because they're things that are pretty and things that make you happy. I'm doing this video actually because I did have quite a few people ask me for an apartment tour. I don't know why. At first I didn't want to do it because it's an apartment, it's not a house, it's not, you know what I mean? Like I had that mindset if it was something big, something just, I don't know, luxurious, I guess to say, for lack of a better word, that it would be worth more of a tour. But you know what? This is where I am right now. We're at a new chapter. We finally left the basement apartment where we were. I wish I had it before and after, but I do have pictures of the basement apartment that I'll try and stick in this video, just so that you have an idea from where we were to where we are now. And really I started to mentally think, I don't want to really do this, it's not like it's a house, there's so many people that have progress and things like that. But you know what, we sometimes have to tell ourselves this is progress. Whatever change you do in your life that's positive is progress. We all achieve things at different times, at later times or earlier times. This was not our season to obtain a house. There are things that we have to do first. One of like the major things is to fix my credit. So this was the door that God allowed us to go through for now, and for that I am very, very grateful. And it's really important to just be thankful, to be grateful of what you have, because things can always be worse. We see so many terrible, sad, depressing things right now in this world, and I'm just really thankful that God has brought us up to here. So any progress that you've made, don't let anyone make you think differently, that this is not my progress, this is the step that God has allowed you to go through. And everything that one goes through is because God allows it, you know what I mean? So this is where we are right now, and I'm just very thankful and very happy that I'm finally able to be at peace and live at peace, hopefully. So far it's really been great here, and the landlady has been really great, really nice people. Neighborhood is quiet, it's peaceful, it's clean, which are all the things that we were looking for when we were trying to leave. So we obtained our goal. I wanted to be out of our apartment, our old apartment, before the summer. We were out before the summer. So thankful that God heard my prayer on that one, because I was like, Lord, I need to get out of here before the summer because it's gonna get hot over here. And not talking about season wise, but just the neighborhood was changing. The people, or the landlady, was just very inconsiderate. She was becoming very inconsiderate, and it was really having a toll on me emotionally, mentally. I was just very anxious and sad a lot of the time, and this was the time for us to go. So in the future, whatever God has planned for us, He leaves us His house. Amen, girl. I mean, I'm ready to take it. I mean, you never know. I've had multiple people tell me, hey, you never know, they sell the house, you guys buy it and the house is yours. And you know what? I'm going to receive that He will do that if that is His will. So in the meantime, I'm just going to go around and show you just a little tour, and this really is targeting more around my Amazon home decor finds and products that I got during Prime Day. I will put all the links below if you're interested in any of the products, and that's it. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and hopefully I'll have it done before the husband gets here, because when men are around, things just become more difficult. So love you, Brian. Okay, so the first place I'm showing is obviously the bedroom. I don't want to tape so much of it, only because it's your bedroom and it's kind of it's personal. So I just wanted to show you, I basically have everything set up. One of the products that I got here was, I became a little bit Alexa obsessed. So I did, oh sorry, you can shut up. Shh, go to sleep. Anyway, so I purchased a couple of these. This is the 4th generation Echo with clock, because I got tired of the clock radio that we had. So and it's just really cute. I really love this. This is from Bath and Body. I don't even think they sell it anymore. I think I got it last summer. This is really a candle holder, but I use it to hold up my clock. This is a product that I did get from Amazon. My husband needed a box to hold his watches in, so I'm going to try and include these links below. And this is really pretty. It's cherry wood, so we definitely did get that on Amazon. So yeah, that's just a quick tour of the bedroom. Okay, so the next room is my makeup room. So it's, you know, I finally got it updated. Now, the room, I'll be honest, it is smaller than the room that I had in the basement apartment, but I managed to get it how I wanted it. A big reason why it's, you know, is smaller is because the closets aren't in here. So the closets obviously take up space in the room. So these are 2 closets. I have all my makeup stuff here. Of course, have my organizer from whatchamacallit, you know the place I'm talking about. So yeah, so here I have another Echo Dot that is here. Of course, Amazon, got it on Prime Day. So here is another little piece that I got from Amazon, one of the deals. I'm going to include this below. So this is a clear, you know, little tiny shelf. It has self-adhesive on it. It comes with little strips of adhesive. You tape it back here and you just stick it on the wall. Make sure your wall is a nice flat surface, strong surface, and that it's clean so that it can hold up. I think this holds up, I don't know if they said it was 7 pounds or something like that. I honestly wouldn't trust it with 7 pounds. This, again, primarily was just to put my Echo Dot on it so that it's nice and out the way. So, of course, all my products are here. Obviously, you can see that. This shelf is also from Amazon. Nice and cheap. I think it was like 40-something dollars. These stickers, I know that I had them in my other room. They looked a little different. I just rebought them. And just, they come with pink dots. I'll put the link below. But I saw someone else put them without the dots and it just looked really nice, and I don't know, it just looked a little more sophisticated, so I decided to put them without the pink dots. And I also got this cute little carpet here. This is a little faux shag carpet, and I also got that on Amazon Prime. Again, I will be including the links. So I think this must be probably, I don't know, my favorite place next to my makeup room, which this is the dining area, work area that I set up here. So the people that were here left this humongous ceramic table, and the landlady said, hey, if you want it, keep it. If not, get rid of it. I decided to keep it. It came with chairs. I got rid of the chairs, used this chair, which I also got from Amazon. It's just a, you know, just a standard office chair. Got the mouse pad and the mouse from Amazon. The microphone was gifted to me from a seller on Amazon, but I can provide that, also have that connected to my computer. So yeah, the curtains, which are my favorite right now. I had different pair of curtains, but I kind of changed them. So I'm really liking these curtains right now. Let me just try and just lower one just so that you see better. So these are color block. So these are beige and white, and I also got these on Prime Day. They come with 2 panels, but 1 panel on each window wasn't enough for me. So I actually bought 2. So there are 2 panels in each window, and obviously you can see that because I can divide it from the middle. All of the art here, everything is from Amazon. The cloth here, so the tablecloth and this plastic cloth, because my husband eats like a 4-year-old, and I have to keep that on there because he was staining like crazy the cloths. But yeah, I got that all from Amazon. So here is the living room, or living space, however you call it. My husband, like I said, he is learning piano. Amazon finds. So some of the decor here is also from Amazon. The 2 crosses came in a set. This was separate, so I got that separate. Again, those are Amazon finds. Another find that you'll find, that you'll find. So this was another home decor find on Amazon. I just love it. When I first saw it, I was like, oh my God, I have to have it. And I thought it was like a Christmas wreath, but it's not a Christmas wreath. So here is the other piece that actually goes with that piece. But I don't know, I just felt that it looked better over there with the crosses. So those are, you know, my little decor. My parents actually gave me this lamp, which is also from Amazon. And I did get this purifier, which is also from Amazon. I'm telling you, like, everything is from Amazon here. I also got these pillowcases here. Not the pillows itself, but the cases also were from Amazon, because, you know, you want to save on buying so many pillows. All you got to do is just take off the sheet, you know, the case itself, and just change the colors. Alrighty, so we're gonna go into the kitchen area. So here is the kitchen area, which is pretty stocked up with a whole bunch of stuff. So I got these plastic containers, again, from Amazon. I have to fill up some of them. That means that I have to do some food shopping. But not only do they look aesthetically pleasing, I don't know, it just gets rid of a lot of bulk, and I don't know, it just looks nice overall. So was able to get some of that stuff. So obviously, you know, I have my appliance there, rice cooker, toaster, all that stuff. So here is the kitchen area. I just love it when my husband makes coffee and then just leaves it there, you know. So this was a great Amazon Prime that I got on Prime Day. This air fryer. My very first air fryer, because I've never used it. And I still haven't used it because I literally got it today. But how big is this? I think this is, how much did I get? I think this was a 7.5 quarters, I think. But yeah, this is big. When I got it, I was like, holy crap, this is big. But this was a great deal. It was $109, but I got it for 70 something, 77 or something like that, on Prime Day. So I will put the link below for that as well. Oh yeah, I can't leave the kitchen without showing you the little decor that I bought. Just simple decor. I don't know, I'm kind of falling for like the minimalistic design type of thing of homes. So I'm really liking that. I got this for the hallway when you walk in. I don't know if you can see that. I'm pretty short, but but this is just the verse of Psalm 91. I really thought that it was fitting for the entrance of the door. And then last but not least is the bathroom. I have to warn you that the bathroom is tiny. Like when we first walked in looking at the apartment, the first thing I said was, oh my God, this bathroom is so small. My face. But here's the bathroom. And let me tell you, I mean, once you start, you know, learning how to, you know, get the bathroom together, you know, it'll be okay. So the good thing is that, and a lot of people pointed it out to me, like even my sister, she's like, listen, don't cry about it, because now you have less grossness of a bathroom to clean. So she has a point. So here's my tub. Wanted to show you the shower head, which I also got Prime Day, but it's still a good price even without the Prime deal. So I'm going to definitely put that link below. Had to change the head because the head was just ridiculous. There was no water pressure. I was so depressed. So I'm so happy now with my shower. Also got this little doohickey. Saved my life because I have a lot more space on the sink, even though the sink is pretty big, but I kind of just wanted all this stuff out of the way. So this also comes with adhesive, a strip of adhesive. Well, actually comes with two just in case. Stick it on the back, stick it on wherever you want to put it. Right here, I stuck it like right under the mirror. And this stores a razor, whatever thing you need to put here. I put my exfoliating brush. I will put the link for the code below to get a discount on this, y'all. And my toothpaste, our toothbrushes and things like that. So I really, really, really like this. It's just the cutest. My brother-in-law gifted us this shelf, so we were able to put that up. Thank you, Angel. And another Amazon find was this set of 4 little signs. You can put them however way you wanted it. So I just did it this way. Enjoy your poop, wash your hands, brush your teeth and comb your hair because we need to look less funky these days. So I love this little set, and it comes with all 4 of them. So I really thought that that was definitely awesome. So that is it, y'all. That is my very fast tour of my apartment. And then everything else is, you know, standard. You have the closets and the organizational space and things like that, which I didn't show because I didn't really feel it was too important. You know, closets have clothes, storage closets have storage, you know what I mean? So you get it. But I hope you enjoyed the little tour that I did, more or less. I'm going to include, again, the links below and all the products that I got on Amazon. And yeah, so that's about it. So thank you for watching. I will be back with another video. Finally getting back into the groove of things. I kind of was like in a funk for a little while, I'm gonna be honest. I didn't really feel, you know, especially when you move, like you want to just feel like, okay, I belong here, you know, this is my new home. And I wasn't feeling like that for quite a few weeks. I just really felt, you know, it was like a foreign place to me, so really was not really happy. But it takes time, and it takes you, you know, decorating and things like that. And I really felt like a lot of my therapy was not only speaking to my therapist, but also, you know, doing things that would make me happy as well. You know, changing the shower head or getting a decoration or things like that that, you know, are aesthetically pleasing to you to look at. I really felt that that helped me out because by nature, I like those things. I like makeup. I like to look pretty. I like to put up pretty things, you know. So when you don't have that, then for me anyway, personally, it kind of like made me feel like bummed out, you know what I mean? So, but I'm glad that surely, little by little, slowly but surely, I'm feeling like I'm beginning to get back to my old self. So hopefully. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for being patient. Adios.